1. What is the weight of the truck? 2. The students were reading about electrons. What were the students reading about? 3. The teacher is eating an apple. What is the teacher eating? 4. You should stand by for some instructions. What should you do? 5. The comics are very entertaining. 6. I need a metal spoon to stir the soup. 7. He was a passenger on that bus. 8. When we went on the picnic, we participated in many games. 9. Betty wants some rice. 10. Colonel Manning can't take the quiz. 11. What day is it? 12. Joe asked Tom, "Where are you going this evening?" How should Tom answer? 13. Mary is very pretty. How does she look? 14. John said, "The cigar store is on the other side of the street." Where is the cigar store? 15. The mechanic expects to finish his work on Friday. 16. May I have that book when you're finished with it? 17. Mary is walking beside me. Where is she walking? 18. Did you make a suggestion? 19. Alan doesn't know how to operate the vending machine. What should he do first? 20. Which of these might be made of plastic? 21. How does the cook know if the food has enough salt? 22. The heart is an important organ. What does it do? 23. Many people who live in this area are engaged in farming. What do they do? 24. Peter asked Carol about the stuff on the table. What did he ask about? 25. Sally took her car to work today. 26. The children will slide on the ice. 27. The tank leaks. 28. Bert has never been absent from class. 29. Each man was asked to arrange the objects on the table. What were they asked to do? 30. Sam liked the cake so much that he got a second piece. How many pieces of cake did Sam have? 31. Would you please indicate the location of the hotel? 32. Bill asked Jane to meet him for breakfast. Where will Bill and Jane meet? 33. When do people usually eat dessert? 34. He is alone now. How many people are with him? 35. The postman has a registered letter for Bob. What must Bob do? 36. Mary and Joe decorated their tree. What did they do? 37. The humidity is high today. 38. We had to skip chapter 3 because there wasn't enough time. 39. When the electrical system was checked, it was found to be working properly. 40. Mrs. Homer served us dinner. 41. Jim encounters many people in his work. 42. They paid an average price for the house. 43. You have to go over your lessons. 44. The police are investigating the homicide case. 45. The streets were teeming with people. 46. Why did the wallpaper come off the wall? 47. How will a new job enable him to buy a car? 48. Arnold uses calipers in his workshop. What does he measure with them? 49. The plane encountered a strong tailwind. Which direction did the wind come from? 50. Warm air is less dense than cold air. 51. Be careful, or you may trigger your rifle by accident. 52. The workers were taking the ore from the ground. 53. He keeps on bringing the wrong book. 54. Everyone agrees that Bert is highly motivated. 55. Virgil has outgrown all his clothes. 56. Joe always has pastry for breakfast. 57.
How will you get home?
I'm going by ship.
How will a man travel? 58.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy nearly all sports, but golf is my favorite.
What does the man say? 59.
John is going to run the new machine.
Has he read the instructions?
What does the woman want to know? 60.
The fire alarm will sound at 10 o'clock.
Okay, then everyone in this room should go out the side door.
61.
What is that noise?
It must be the person next door.
What is making the noise? 62.
How did you do on those 10 questions?
I got 2 of them correct.
What did the woman say? 63.
What's the matter?
That man tried to grab my purse.
What has happened? 64.
How's Bob doing?
He's okay now. He just needed some first aid treatment.
What did Bob need? 65.
What did the weatherman say?
He said we'll have intermittent rain for the next 2 days.
66.
How did the storm affect the factory?
We had to close down for a week.